For vehicles that are over 5 years old, the amount of exhaust gas emissions can increase and contribute to global warming. Therefore, it is necessary to conduct proper inspections and maintenance for such vehicles. Here are 5 ways to manage your vehicle. 1. Regular inspection and maintenance. As parts of the car wear out and usage time increases, parts may need to be serviced and replaced. Therefore, regular vehicle inspection and maintenance can help identify and address issues early on. 2. Mileage management. As the mileage of the vehicle increases, the wear and tear on parts can become even more severe. Therefore, it is recommended to reduce mileage as much as possible when driving the vehicle. 3. Regular cleaning and car washes. Keeping the exterior and interior of the vehicle clean can have a significant impact on the lifespan and performance of the vehicle. To prevent dust and pollutants from getting stuck in vehicle parts and impairing performance, it is advisable to regularly clean and wash the vehicle. 4. Proper refueling and oil changes. Refueling and oil changes are important factors that determine the performance and lifespan of a vehicle. Therefore, it is necessary to adhere to the fueling method recommended by the vehicle manufacturer and regularly check the oil change interval to maintain the vehicle appropriately. 5. Participate in the 1+1 Challenge. The 1+1 Challenge offers free products to those who own cars that are over 5 years old to help reduce emissions and combat climate change. Apply directly on the 1+1 Challenge website.